guys, Annedrey and welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna show you these. These are cutting discs. So this is a jar full of cutting discs. So let's open it and see.
Okay, let's see what's inside.
So this is a cutting disc.
Wow.
You can go anywhere until you cut something. Okay? These cutting discs can cut anything. So this is a mega brand. It's thin and sharp. I'm gonna get the other one. This one.
Okay, open.
So this is another one. It's Makita brand.
Yeah, show your brand. Yeah, that is Makita.
Use in cutting things like bakal. This Makita brand is thinner, just like this, the mega brand.
Yes.
So here's another one, a Tailored brand, heavy duty brand and more expensive. To cut a bakal or angle bar, you need to use a cutting disc like this.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get another one. This is a sanding disc. This is a mega brand sanding disc. So this is a sanding disc. Used to make the things thinner. So that's for all for today's show. So subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Bye bye.